Looking for a dependable toner cartridge that keeps your brother printer running smoothly? The Cool Toner TN830XL offers a high-yield solution designed specifically for popular brother models like the HL-L2460DW and DCP-L2640DW. If you want sharp, clear prints without the hassle, this cartridge is worth a look. This pack includes 2 TN830XL 830XL black toner cartridges, giving you double the printing power right out of the box. Each cartridge delivers up to 3,000 pages at 5% coverage, which means fewer replacements and less downtime. That's a real advantage for busy offices or anyone needing consistent, high-volume printing. Compatible with a wide range of brother printers, including HL-L2400D, HL-L2405W, MFC-L2820DW, and more, the Cool Toner TN830XL fits perfectly and performs reliably. Whether you're printing documents, reports, or everyday materials, expect crisp text and solid blacks every time. What sets this toner apart is its balance of quality and value. Cool Toner cartridges are engineered to match the original brother TN830XL specs, ensuring smooth operation and avoiding common issues like streaks or fading. The result? Professional-looking prints without breaking your budget. Weighing just over 1 kilogram, each cartridge is easy to install and handle. Plus, the double pack means you're stocked up for the long haul. If your current toner runs out quickly or leaves your prints looking dull, switching to this high-yield option will make a noticeable difference. For anyone using compatible brother printers, this replacement toner offers peace of mind. It keeps your workflow steady and your print quality high, so you can focus on what matters without interruptions. The clear, sharp output is ideal for everything from business documents to school projects. If you're ready to upgrade your printer supplies with a cartridge that delivers both volume and quality, the Cool Toner TN830XL is a smart choice. It fits seamlessly, prints consistently, and helps you get more done between replacements. Try it when you're ready to experience smooth printing and dependable performance. With the Cool Toner TN830XL, what you get is a reliable, high-yield cartridge that keeps your brother printer working at its best.